Here I have iPhone XS and let me show you how to change date and time settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, then find and select the settings. From the list of settings, you have to find and select the general. From general, let's choose date and time. As you can see here, you've got date and time settings. Right now, I've got automatically set my time zone and I've got 24-hour format, but I can change it easily. Let me disable the 24-hour format and also let me disable the automatic time zone. And right now I can change my desired time zone. I can just look for something right here. For example, it could be London. I can also change the date and the time. And as you can see, I can also go back and turn on the automatic time zone and time, and I can also bring back the 24-hour format. So basically that's it, everything is right here. Now you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.